How to set text-to-speech preferred engine on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to Special Function, and go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, go to General Section, and you can see here the text-to-speech output. You can tap this, and you can see here the preferred engine. So if you want to set this preferred engine of this text-to-speech output, tap the gear icon on the right side of this preferred engine, and you can see here the settings. You can turn on or off the use Wi-Fi only, the amplify speech volume. You can turn on and off this amplify speech volume, and you can change the language detection. So there is the option anonymous usage report. You can turn on and off this, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the text-to-speech output preferred engine of the Tecno mobile phone.